Alright guys, today I want to come on here and do a quick unboxing and review on my new USB 3.2 portable solid state drive. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending it out for review, so let's go and take a look at it. Got a lot of videos I need to transfer over, so this should help, and it should be very quick as well. There it is. See that? Very cool. Then it also has the Type-C option right there, which is the one we're going to use right now. Should be just plug and play. And then right down here, you do have a way to store it. So you can just slip it right in here. Close it up. Put this on your keys or whatever you like, and it'll keep it secure in here. But let's go and actually transfer some files and see how it actually does. All right, so I went ahead and plugged it in through the Type-C side. As you can see, it popped up there for the first time. I did open up that file explorer, and then I'm going to go ahead and open up a separate window where I'm going to pull up my files just so I can just drag and drop them. But I do want to show you that the one I have is the 256. There it is, showing it to you. So we'll go ahead and actually go to my downloads. I'm going to go ahead and select all the video that I have on here. They are short form videos, but it's a little bit over 130. I think it's 141 videos total. It'll show us here in a second. Yep, there it is. So we'll go ahead and actually transfer it over. And as you can see, it starts to transfer it right away. This is probably one of the faster SSDs that I have owned. So you can see it's already at 80% and it's just about done. So very, very quick. So this is a very good SSD if you need your files moved very quickly. After you're done, you just want to safely eject it, and there it is. You can go ahead and remove the SSD. All right, so as you can see, it literally transferred 140 plus short form videos within, I don't know, like 10 seconds. Probably one of the fastest portable SSDs that I've gotten. Like I said, this one is 256 gigabytes, but they do go all the way up to 1 terabyte. So if you guys found this video useful, make sure you guys subscribe. But if you guys are looking for a new portable SSD, definitely look into this one. I'm gonna leave that link down below in the description so you can get yours. Highly recommend.